On to North Africa now. The Tunisian Economic Observatory is warning against an increase in olive oil exports into the European market, either due to demand from that end of the world or at the request of Tunisian industrialists. Export-oriented production, according to this group, could essentially lead to an increase in the cost of olive oil in the domestic market, hurting local consumers. Adnan Chouachi has the details on this dispute.
In 2022, Tunisia exported 208,000 tons of olive oil, 87% of which was in bulk and 13% in packaged form. Exports made in bulk and at low cost have resulted in low export value added and a significant loss of foreign exchange.
Tunisia can collect up to $2.7 billion from exporting packaged olive oil. We are losing money by selling around 90% in bulk. Europeans who buy and put the liquid in bottles are making more profit than Tunisian farmers and exporters.
Tunisian olive oil exports to the EU are regulated by a quota system. The current export quota is estimated at 57,000 tons. Some economic operators have called for the liberalization of olive oil exports to Europe.
The liberalization of the olive oil export quota will only benefit European importers and consumers. It's unacceptable that this Tunisian staple food is cheaper in Europe, where the purchasing power is much higher.
Tunisian olive oil is exported mainly to Italy and Spain at a low cost of $2 per litre. 1 litre of olive oil is now sold at mills for around $8 in the North African country.
We use olive oil every day. The price should not exceed $4 to be affordable for Tunisian households.
The average annual olive oil consumption per consumer in Tunisia decreased from 8.2 kilograms in 2000 to 0.6 kilograms in 2022. It is the lowest in the Mediterranean region.
Tunisia is one of the top producers of olive oil in the world. The access to olive oil at a reasonable price is a right. The state will fix tariffs for the domestic market in 2024.
Tunisia imports vegetable oil to meet domestic demands by relying on financial surplus obtained through the export of olive oil. Experts say the shortage of olive oil stocks in Mediterranean countries is due to droughts and climate change. Inflation is also pushing prices to new heights. Tunisia projects to produce 210,000 tons of olive oil this season. Adnan Chouachi, CGTN, Tunis.